Children, today I am here to teach you past perfect tense. First of all, let me ask you, what is past perfect tense? Alright, let me tell you. Past perfect tense is an action took place before another point in the past, which means an action occurred before another action in the past, or in another word, something started in the past and continue up until another action in the past. So we use present past perfect tense to express an action taken place before another action began or completed. So past perfect tense मतलब एक्शन खत्म हो गया है और दूसरा एक्शन पास में पहले दूसरा एक्शन चालू होने का पहले से खत्म हो चुका है, इसी को पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस बोल रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ let me tell you rules. 1. See, first singular plural, first person singular plural, second person singular plural, third person singular plural. For all the subjects in past perfect tense, we use only one rule, that is had plus V3. In present perfect tense, in my previous class, present perfect tense, see, we use for some subject we use have, and for some subjects we use has. But past perfect tense we have only one rule, that is had plus V3 for all the subjects. I, for the subject I, had, we had, you had, she had, he had, she had, it had, they had. And for both singular and plural subject, singular subject like boy, girl, see, boy had, girl had. Plural subject, boys had and girls had. Okay, this is rule 1. Okay, yes, now let us move down to rule 2. In rule 2, I'm going to tell you or teach you how to make affirmative or positive sentence, how to make interrogative sentence, how to make negative sentence. See here, A, affirmative or positive sentence. This is the rule. See, subject come first, plus had plus V3 past participle verb plus object. Interrogative sentence means questions. So questions, had plus subject plus V3 plus object. C, negative sentence, not sentence, negative sentence, subject plus had plus not plus V3 plus object. Let me give you one or two examples. Affirmative sentence, subject, we had, V3 played, object, football yesterday. We had played football yesterday. We, subject, had, V3 played, object, football yesterday. We had played football yesterday. Okay. Interrogative sentence, How can we convert this positive or affirmative into interrogative now? First, let us follow this rule. See, first, had. This will come first here. See, had. Subject, we. V3. Object. Had we played football yesterday? Negative. How can we make negative? Or how can we convert, see, affirmative into negative or interrogative into negative? Okay, negative. Let us follow this rule. See, subject first. Subject here, we. Next, had. We had. After that, not. Verb 3, played. Object, football, yesterday. We had not played football yesterday. Affirmative sentence, we have played football yesterday. Interrogative sentence, had we played football yesterday? Negative sentence, we had not played football yesterday. Let me give you one more example. Let us do one more example. They had visited America. They had visited America. They, subject, had visited V3, object, America. They had visited America. Interrogative sentence, had, subject, they, verb 3, visited, object, America. Had they visited America? Negative sentence, subject, they had not visited America. They had not visited America. Affirmative for positive sentence, they had visited America. Interrogative sentence, had they visited America? Negative sentence, they had not visited America.